Hey everyone, this is Simon from Simon W.Y. Huang, and today you're gonna learn how to make a WordPress site from 0 to hero. Now, I know most of us already has a website, but what if some of it just started? You know how there are tons of website platforms out there, but why do people choose a specific one versus other ones? For me, I personally like WordPress. Is the best content management system, and for getting your website being found, it's a lot easier to work with WordPress. So let's go to my screen right now and see how we can make it in 9 simple steps. Okay, so this is the end result of my website. As you can see, very nice website images, and then call to action button, lots of good feature. So how are we going to get to here? Let's start with getting a domain and a host. So I want you all to go to https://hosting.wphealthwatch.com. Now, when you hit here, enter your domain name. For example, let's go for any random one. Site downtown Toronto website.com. Some random stuff I make. See if it's, oh, okay, so it's done. Let's add into cart. So this shows you that the domain is available. Before I go on, I'm sure most of you know that domain means the website name. So right here, www.e-therapy.com is my clinic name. YouTube has youtube.com. And obviously there's so many other ones. The domain is your website name that's shown on the internet. So we'll add it to cart, and then we can then add a web hosting. Hosting is basically like a land that you build your house or website on. For example, you can use a lot of other options, but I prefer to use this one. We got 3 different options: starter, plus, and premium. These matters if your website goes from, like, say 500 to 1,000 visitors, 1,000 to 2,500 visitors per month, or 5,000 plus visitors. Most people, I just suggest them to use the starter one. Click on order now. Use the domain that's already in my shopping cart. Choose your billing cycle, because you can actually get a much cheaper deal. So it turns out to be $7.95 per monthly, $6.95 annually, $5.95 biannually. Then triannually is $3.95, and it becomes $142. That's for 3 years. You don't have to worry about it. Protect your website with SSL. Definitely go with that. SSL certificate is basically showing the site that, oh, your website is secure. So let's do that. Because without that, Google will actually tell you that your website is not secure. They don't recommend you. You will see a weird looking website warning page, and that's not cool. And also you won't get indexed. But let's go on. There's also spam expert. I do suggest you to try to use this so that your email doesn't get spammed. I'll show you another way. You don't have to buy it here right now. So let's click continue first. So with SSL certificate, it's 57 USD triannually. Your domain and your starter pack, your total comes to be 214-20 USD. Checkout, and in here it's it's for you to fill in all your information. I already bought everything, so I'm just gonna skip this step. But if you just go in, you can actually choose to sign with Facebook, Google, or Twitter, and then it will just fill in this information really quickly. Then afterward, you can use payment plan with your card or PayPal, or mail-in payment, which is probably not the best way. You want to just use these two so it's secure. After you're done, just click complete order. Then I'm gonna go into cPanel. So let me just take you there right now. cPanel is the backend office of your website, where you can install WordPress, other app or website. You can actually change your server around. You can check your emails over here. You can do a lot of things. But as for now, we're only doing one thing. Actually, two things right here. First and foremost, we want to type in SSL and go in there because we're going to install the Rapid SSL. So manage SSL site, select a domain. And then just install. It's fairly easy. Literally just fill in. Yeah, it's so easy, right? Let's go in and install, and it will say, oh, it's already installed because I did. Showing you. So let's keep going. Go back to cPanel with this 9 blocks icon. Okay, so now that you're done, let's go and click on this WordPress icon. Click on that. This is where you're going to install WordPress, basically the software that can make beautiful websites. And it's open source. WordPress, because there's over 304 million users, including Nike, Adidas, Disney. All these big companies are all using WordPress to make their website. So let's click install now. Fairly easy, right? Make sure you're choosing HTTPS. Select the domain that you just bought, and excuse me. Here's the sign name that you can change. Doesn't really matter. You can leave it as default. You can change it in the backend as well. Username. Type in your name. Password. Okay. And then email. Fill it all in. And then don't change anything over here, but you do want to click on auto upgrade. And do want to click on automated backup once a day. And click install. Yes. Now it's installing. It will only take like a few minutes. And it's done. Voila. So now that it's done, it will actually tell you that, oh, it's successfully installed here, and click on that. And then you can click on this one with wp-admin. That is to go into the backend. So let's start with the front end first to see if it's, yes, it's installed. Perfect. So this is the default theme. We call it 2017. And what you do is you want to go into the backend, and the backend is //wp-admin. And it's going to tell you to log in. I already did. Saved every password there is. Yes. Anyways, let's go on. So this is your default website. That default dashboard. So we already installed WordPress. We already saw how it looks like in the front end, which is this. That's not bad. Then we click on this icon that says My Blog. Now we get into the dashboard, which is the back end. It teaches you how you can customize your website, change your theme easily, write your first blog post. But if you follow me, you will know exactly what to do first. First and foremost, I want you guys to look on the left, click on the post. This hello world is a dummy, which is a default kind of post that I make. Posts are generally just the default blog posts, like things that you see in that changes around. I will show you in the one that's already made. It will usually show as blog, and you can see that, oh, there's so many different blogs here. And yeah, that's a blog post. It changes. This is the best way for you to actually improve your SEO. But this is trash, so make sure you scroll your mouse cursor over there and click on the trash. Delete that. and go to trash again to delete. We want to delete everything there is that we have installed defaultly. And then now click on the pages. Pages are generally individual pages that do not change. Home page, about page, service page. These are all just what website normally look like. So they don't change too much. So they're in the pages section. Again, you're going to click on the trash button and go to trash and delete. And let's see what else is there. Any comments, any media. There's nothing here. Very good. And now we go to permalink first. So scroll down to setting, and there's a permalink. Permalink is basically how your website URL would look like normally. So default, it will show date and name. Don't do that. That's actually horrible, horrible, horrible. You want to just click on the post name. Makes it a lot easier, right? Make sure you save. That's that. And now we are going to install a new theme because I want to get the best theme possible. Oh, before that, we want to delete all the other one that is old. 2015, we don't want that. Delete that. 2016 also, not so much. And we have a current theme of 2017, but we want to install a theme that I love. It's called GeneratePress. One of the best one there is. So all you have to do is click on the theme icon and add new theme. At the search button, you check GeneratePress. That's how it looks like. And this is the one. Click on that. And this, you see, it changes immediately. And this is really nice and fast. Okay, just install that. Then click activate. So we got that done. Oh, there's a new version. Just update that first. Make sure you are always updating your site, okay? So now that we have the GeneratePress theme, we don't need the 2017. Delete the 2017. We're now having GeneratePress. Really, really nice stuff. Now let's go to plugins. Plugins are basically just small programs embedded inside your WordPress site. Now, I don't normally like to hold too many plugins. You can keep this a Kismet anti-spam plugin so that nobody spam you like crazy, which you just have to activate that. Hello Dolly is not a plugin, it's just a random stuff. Delete that stuff. You can activate, you can delete, up to you. I would definitely, okay, I'll show you how to do it, just activate it. But before we activate Kismet, okay, let's add new plugins. First plugin that we want to do, if we want to make sure that our site looks awesome like this, we're gonna need a plugin called Elementor. So what we need to do is search Elementor. And this is Elementor Page Builder, and this is the best drag and drop page builder that you would normally see in Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace. Click on that. And then when it's done, click activate. Wonderful, it's loading, loading, and loading. And there's a newer version again. Great, except I don't know why they don't have the newest one update. The next one that we need is Yoast Seo. Yoast Seo is what I mentioned about the best thing for you to do website optimization. Type in Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, and this Yoast Seo helps you improve your WordPress SEO, write better content, and fully optimize your website. Click on install that, and activate. And of course, there is a newer one. Again, why am I not surprised anymore? Now that we have these two, we want to set up your Akismet account. And basically, you want to just get your API key. And then we have a API key. I think I already have an account here. Get one. Click on get an Akismet API key. It'll actually take you to WordPress.com. I already have it. And let's go back to, no. Yeah, so activate the site. Show the number of approved comments besides silently discuss. Yes, leave it default. And that's what you need to do. Now, we already have most of our plugin necessary to build a nice, awesome website. We still need one more plugin. Now, this plugin is not free. You see here, we didn't have to pay for anything. But if you want a fully functional website that helps you edit your website easily, I will show you how. First and foremost, if you see this red button, I'll ignore that for now. Click on this. You can see that, okay, we don't no longer look like a weird website. Now, I want you to go into Customize. You see here, it helps you changes your site identity, my blog. You can change it out to demo, or you can hide it. It's fairly useful, isn't it? Tagline also, demo. You can select adding your logo. Anything that you want, just put it in. Just put it in. Upload anything. It's so easy. You want to upload anything, you just select upload from your computer and done. And skip cropping. And that's too big. Remove that. But you get the idea. Site icon is also the same. You just use this one. Site icon is basically this little thing. You see this white sheet page, and you see other website, they have like, icon. YouTube has this red icon. Select that, crop image, and now you see it changes to this, my signature. Isn't that lovely? Now let's go back to the other ones. We have changes layout. You can change the width of the website. You can change the header image. You can change primary navigations, which I'll show you what that is. You can change a lot of stuff, but you can do more, like color of the website, text color. See, pretty easy. Background color changes around nicely. Typography is you can change the font, the size, and everything. But that's not it. You can check load essential icon. You see why I like this theme is because it actually minimizes the amount of stuff loading in your website. Because when you don't have a lot of stuff loading, you certainly don't have to worry about anything. Menu is you have to add it, but you can change the widget. Widget is like this. I want my website to look good though, like really, really good, like this good. So I need to install something else. You see over here as a premium module available. And how are you gonna get to here? Is you type in this URL here, simonwyhuang.com/GeneratePress, GeneratePress. Click on that. Okay, so now you can click on the premium. And then you just pay for it. You can see that it can help you edit more color, typography. You can add in WooCommerce, which is the e-commerce side. Page header is gonna be nice and nice. Menu plus, very nice. Background image spacing, everything can be completely edited. And only $39.95 per year. Honestly, you won't regret it. Just go into the site and click on add to cart, and you're good. $39.85. Again, you just pay with these two. I already have it, so I go to account and I go to download and click on that. It's already here. So let's go back to the site. Let's just publish and click on the X button. So you get out of this customize. Customize is awesome. And then you go back to dashboard again, go to plugin and add new and upload plugin. You see here, choose file. I already have it here. Just drag and drop here, install now. There you go. Very nice. And so before we go on any further, let's go into appearance, click on GeneratePress, and click on everything but sections. I don't need section. And don't have WooCommerce. Oh yeah. Oh, in order to activate this, you have to go in here into account, view license. License is the key. And you just copy and paste. License key update. And it's done. Bulk action activate. I want to delete section. Don't worry about it. And then now you have this. Let's go back into our website again. Click on customize. And now you see it's completely different. We have the site identity. Well, this one is the same. You can actually change around really easily. Layout. Now we have like primary navigation, header, and whole bunch of other stuff that allows you to change your website really easily. Even footers, you know, these things, right? Very nicely. You can change the padding, like change the padding, easy. This is really easy. This is why I liked this premium plugin. It allows you to change a lot of stuff. So let's go back. What else am I missing? Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to add new pages. So it's fairly easy. Scroll up, click on the page, plus new. That's new page. Type in home. That's your home page. And let's see the default theme template. This is where Yoast Seo is. I will explain this in the next section. Go to layout, click on content, no sidebars. You don't want sidebar. You want to look something like this. You want a footer widget. I usually choose 0. I don't have footer widget. You can choose to have it or not. Content title, delete that. Page builder, full width, page header. We can create one later. Click on publish. Add another one. And this one is going to be about page. Once again, content, footer width 0. Content title, full width. Publish again. So we're going to create a few more pages. The next one is called service page. See, a basic website, there's home page, about page, service page, contact page, and blog page. And you want everything to be nice. One more. Contact. Publish. And I think I need to create one more, which is blog. Default, I think this one. Okay, now that we have everything, you want to go into setting, general, not general, sorry, reading. You want to set homepage as static page home. Post page, blog page, summary, and that's it. Save changes. Now that is right. You also want to go into appearance and click on menu. which is the navigation. So we want to create a new one. And let's just top. Okay, you know what? Just type in navigation, create menu, and then select all, add to menu on the left side. Okay. Now here's where you can. I usually do. I don't keep this home. Some people do like it. I don't like it. But I'll keep it for now so that you guys understand. Okay, now that it's saved, let's go back to our website. So now it looks like this. See? About, service, contact, blog post. Blog post is basically automatically shown in a different kind of format. Now that it's done, I'll show you very briefly how you can actually edit each page. But I want to show you how you can move this navigation to the right side, right here, just like what I did here. So again, click on Customize. And go to Layout, go to Primary Navigation, Contained, and go to Full Right. There you go. It's that easy. You can just publish, click the X right here now. Now that we're going to go back to demo, see, when you click on this, it's essentially the same idea of click on home. I don't really like the idea of having home again if you already have a logo. So I normally just delete that. It's really up to you guys. And then you can also, we saw the page header on that. Let me just show you. I mean, it's going to take some time to create, but it's a very cool thing. This is a premium plugin, GeneratePress, so it allows you to create a nice header. So let's click on home. Let's click on contents required. Okay, so let's see. Home page. Content center. Merge your site header. Once you've created that, I have another video already, but I'll re-record this. Once you have created this, you go back to Pages, go into Home, Edit, and now you can actually add in a page header over here. Home, select a feature image because this is a necessary step for you to see how you actually look like. So I'm just select any random picture, set feature image, update, and now let's look at it. One page. Let's change that around. Boy. Yeah, I'm just doing this on the fly, but if you get the idea. So let's contain it as just full width, padding, background image, use background color, parallax, green. Let's see what it looks like. I'm just really, really lazy. Oh, there you go. See? Awesome. See how nice it looks? And this home page, let's go back to this again. I believe I need to pull it down. Vertical center content. Update. Post again. There you go. Home page. Very, very nice. There you go. So that's that. There's more to it. Obviously, I'm going to show you. go to edit page. We mentioned about Elementor as a page builder, drag and drop page builder. Click on the edit with Elementor. Here's what it looks like. Here's very easy. You can actually add any section in here, and you can drag and drop anything over here. For example, you can drag a text, which you can just write anything into it. You can drag an image over here, and then you can choose your image. You'll upload anything, and then you can choose like a video. You have a YouTube video. You can just, like change the link. If you have a YouTube video, you just add the YouTube video in there. You can also add divider. You can add the Google Map in there if you want to. Of course, you want to make sure you type in your address. You can add a lot of things. Testimonial, accordion, a lot. If you don't like to, this is basically counting on your imagination. But if you don't like to do anything, you can always add template, which they have over here. Oh, you can add the homepage template. You can add interior design template. They have pre-designed template that is really nice for you that you can just plug in and use it. Some are not pro. It says pro, which means you just have to pay for it. Some of them are free. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm all about free. But some are really, really nice. Like, I'm very tempted to buy this pro. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. See, and then you go up again. So that's how you're going to edit all your pages. Okay. This one's also go pro, restaurant. Let's just go and into. You know what? Let's do this agency. Design, insert. Once it's inserting, it's basically taking the template back into your website. It's uploading right now. Once that is done, voila, you have everything that you need. You don't even need to do anything. How simple is that? So what I do is delete. You see, you just scroll down there and press delete. Oops. You can actually preview. Ooh. Okay. What happened? Okay, I probably have to save. Update. Preview. There you go. See how nice this is? Very nice. You have a call to action button. So nice. And now that you're done, you want to get out of here? Very easy. Click on the left side. There's a hamburger. Exit to dashboard. And you're back to here. This is called the dashboard. And so if you want to view it, just click on the permalink, which is the URL. And here's your homepage. That's it. That is it. The last thing that I want to teach you is to add new blog posts, which is the key thing for us to do SEO. So let's get started here. They automatically tell you that you can write a new blog post. So write any title and set your image. And then publish. Oh, I probably should add new content. So just do anything, update, view. And that's it. See how easy it is? You just click in, and that's it. Now I'm going to stop sharing this, and let's go back to my face. So there you have it. Everything that I know about making WordPress tutorial. This is 2018 guide, and this is just 9 steps to a beautiful website. Is that so easy? Is that easy or what? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friend. Sure that you click on that subscribe button, which is down there, and that notification bells. If I make a new video, just click on that bell. Every time I have a new video, you will notify. And last but not the least, everything that I taught you, the course is coming to your inbox. If you just go into this URL, https://simonwyhuang.com/free-class. It's called a free website optimization class, and you will have it right in your inbox for 5 straight days. You'll get all the info that you need to create a website like this. And so I'll see you guys later. Bye.